another episode. As everyone knows that I am in Rishikesh, and if you are in Rishikesh, you must try river rafting or any other activities. So let's go and have some fun. So I'm just coming out from the jumping heights office, and it's a disappointment that I can't do bungee jumping as all the slots have been booked, and not only for today's but the next week's schedule has been also booked. On one hand, I'm like sad because I have mustered up all my courage to do bungee jumping, but on the other hand, I'm relieved that I don't have to jump from the very height. And yeah, after little disappointment, I headed towards doing another activity, that is river rafting. Rafting in Rishikesh is one of the most popular adventure activities. With the increasing demand for the sport of rafting, many outfitters and resellers have emerged. So while seeking a rafting trip, you will have a lot of options to choose from. River rafting is considered as extreme sport and must be done with extreme care and under expert supervision, as it can also prove fatal. Teamwork and coordination are a must to perform in this activity. Once we were ready, each of us got a paddle each for rowing. The guide also showed how to wear the PFD, how to loosen or tighten it. He explained about the paddle and the right way to hold it. We were now all in our full rafting attire and raring to go. He also explained various commands that we would need to know and follow on the course. He also demonstrated how to use the paddle and how to row forward and backward. Team forward was the command, and off we went, our paddles pushing deep into the water of the river Ganga in perfect coordination, as if we had been rafting together for a long time. The raft hugged the water like a newborn clutching at its mother's bosom, and we were off on one of the most exhilarating adventures that one can experience. We were looking forward to experience the thrills and spills of river rafting in Rishikesh.
फॉरवर्ड 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 करो एक साथ फॉरवर्ड करो एक साथ क्लियरिटी मस्त है यार इसकी यार स्टॉप स्टॉप बैक साइड देखो इधर कैमरे पे देखो देखो इधर देखो इधर देखो आप लोग Forward guys, forward. फॉरवर्ड करो एक साथ क्लैरिटी देखिए इसकी क्लैरिटी मस्त है। ये लो
मजा बहुत है
स्टॉप रिलैक्स। बोलो गंगा मैया के, गंगा मैया के, गंगा मैया के।
You must try whitewater rafting in Ganga, where the water does not flow by you, but through you. The thrill of whitewater rafting is something that can be enjoyed by anyone, regardless of their background or experience.
तो वही लगता है, अब नॉर्मल पानी है।
I jumped into the water after a few kilometers, keeping a firm hold of the rope and stayed that way in still water for almost half an hour. The water was too cold. लो जाओ। मेरा तो हेलमेट सब ऊपर ही होगा। नीचे खींचा थोड़ा। वाह
बिना खींचे चढ़ जाए ऊपर, नहीं चढ़ा, नहीं चढ़ा जाता ऊपर, गले ऊपर नहीं चढ़ा जाता।
आजा रस्सी पकड़ो, रस्सी पकड़ो वो सब मानना, रस्सी मत छोड़ना। आजा भाई, भाई आ जाओ।
ऊपर कर दो। When the guide pulled me out, it was like he catched a big fish in the sea. Jumping in the water was a new experience for me. Even though the water was cold, I had lots of fun. The spectacles of the Ganga flowing serenely from high up in the mountains and painting a breathtaking landscape along its path only added to the dreamlike and surreal nature of our experience. The view from the boat was spectacular. The green hills on both the sides of the river and the cloudy sky looked mysterious. River rafting was one of the best experiences I could ever have. It consists of amazing white water, breathtaking scenery, quality gear, a friendly and empathetic guide, and cheerful company. Rafting is not just about forward and backstroke or going with the motion. It is an experience. I had lots of fun, and this was the best way to end my Rishikesh trip. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.